The 2008 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, four-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, child safety locks, bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.